Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to fix mouse sensitivity keep changing in Windows 11 10. So how to fix? Click to start button, go to setting, then guys click to device. So guys then click to Bluetooth and device and then click to mouse. So guys your mouse pointer speed is on the middle on 10. Okay. And line scroller number 3. So this is fixed by Microsoft. You can change, but you also on number 3 and line scroller and number 10 of pointer of speed. Okay, then close. Next method, start CMD, right click, run as administrator. Then click to yes. Type msdt.exe space comma id space device 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 domestic DIAGNOSTIC space and then enter. Okay, so guys then click to next. So please wait few minutes because the hardware and device troubleshooter, and then close. No issue in your like. Okay, otherwise guys you can check your mouse and another port on your motherboard. You can front panel, you can back panel. Okay, so you can check also another systems, like you have a laptop, so you can connect. Okay, so guys, thank you. Any issues, so please comment me, I will fastly giving a reply. Okay.